And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you the opacity property. You can use it on all elements to add transparency to it. It's usually used for images. Let me show you a div container. I'll call that class just OPA for opacity. I selected in my CSS.opa curly brackets. I give it a background color and a width and height. Now we can see it. And if I add the opacity, set it to 0.5, it will have 50% transparency, 50% opacity. If you make that for an image, and let me go to my projects folder. So this is our folder where the index and the CSS is. I've got an img folder, so img/leaves.jpg. This should find our image. Here it is. Way too big, so let me target it. img, the selector, element selector in this case. Set the width to 100%. Or maybe that's still too big. Let me make that 25%. It should be almost as big as our div container. There you go. And now I add the opacity 0.5, and you can see how this blends it now with the white background. In easy terms, you could also say that opacity and transparency are in balance. So if you, for example, make this 0.75 opacity, it has 25% transparency. So it's an easy way to read it. The lower you go with opacity, the higher the transparency will be, and vice versa. As I've said, you can add this property to basically any element using CSS. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.